Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Many of you who own touchscreen devices have likely shared my frustration, discovering that Blender is almost unusable for serious creative work without proper touch support. I felt the exact same way. We've all been waiting a long time for native multi-touch gestures, but it doesn't look like they're coming anytime soon. That's why I decided to build a tool to fix this. My goal is to unlock the full potential of touchscreens not just in Blender, but in any app where multi-touch support is either missing or poorly implemented. After spending quite a bit of time researching and coding, I've completed a working prototype. Right now, it's a proof of concept with no UI or settings, just raw code that proves the idea works. Currently, it's Windows only and has been tested exclusively on the Huion Canvas 27 Pro. My long-term plan is to make this application cross-platform and open source. The prototype still has some bugs, so I'm currently in the debugging phase. Once the core logic is stable, I'll start building a proper interface and adding practical features specifically for artists and designers. If you're excited about this project, please consider supporting the channel. You can scan the QR code on the screen or follow the link in the description. Your support is what will make this project a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.